guys, welcome to another Eurovox video. I am Clara from Eurovox and I'm here to react to Dora's contestants HARMONIJA DISONANCE and their song Nevera, LEI. Now I have to say I'm super excited to react to this song because a dear friend from Eurovox, Sanja Dietz, was one of the co-writers and I can't wait to listen and react to what she came up with. So, without further ado, let's give it a listen. Pressing play. Ooh, already the ethnic vibe with the wind instruments. Harmonies in the vocals. I like the cadence. So interesting. Very choral, chorus-like, traditional singing. Oh, now a beat, like the beat has changed. Okay, now the rhythm is picking up. I like it. Whoa! Okay, now the drop. Oh, this is so exciting. I like it. Okay, it has the appropriate amount of dance in the track with traditional elements and modern. I'm loving this. I recognize a few words. I know Nevera means storm, that's what Sanja told me. But I love so far how it goes through different rhythm changes. Is this a chorus again? Oh yeah. Not the chorus, sorry, the drop. This is really enjoyable. For someone that likes Balkan sounds, I love this. Okay, now the bridge with some, I'm not sure if violins or string elements or wind elements. I think it's a mixture of everything. I can already picture this on stage with a good performance and good staging. It's like an invitation to dance. I'm loving this. I just love the combination of modern and traditional elements. It's really well done. It's very well built. Well guys, what can I say? I just love the whole concept, I love the track, I love the vocals. I think this has great potential on a Eurovision stage because it's what we want to see. It has the festive elements, it has the traditional elements, it has the modern elements, and I think this song is perfect to draw in all types of audiences of different ages. I think it would appeal to every age gap. I just wish for the best to HARMONIJA DISONANCE, and I'm looking forward to see them perform at Dora. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about Nevera, LEI. If you see it has potential, do you like it? Is it your favorite song from Dora this year? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so far. And see you next time. Bye!